Today we're going to go over one of the least expensive, if not the least expensive, DJI UAS in the system. What we use it for here at Makatawa Unmanned Systems is a way for to get at training on an everyday basis with a UAS that doesn't really cost a lot. So if you have a new pilot and he hits a wall with it, this is very durable and it probably won't break. Plus, if it does, at least it's, you know, $100 and something and not several thousand. So today we talk about the Tello. The Tello is a DJI partnership UAS that was created a little bit ago. There's two different ones you can get. You can get the Tello itself, which just comes with the aircraft in a package with one battery, or you can get the Tello Boost, which we recommend because it comes with 3 batteries, 2 propeller kits, the charging hub, and the USB cable, as well as the aircraft. What else you'll need, or you'll probably want anyways, is the GameSir T1d Delta controller. If you don't buy this, you can still get the Tello to work, but it's going to operate off of your actual smartphone, which we will show you how that works. But it's not as easy to fly as it is if you get the remote control. So let's unbox this. The Tello combo comes with, when you first open it up, it'll come with the Tello itself. This is the aircraft. All right. So the aircraft. Then it also comes with this little box here. That's the owner manual. Put that aside. And then you'll see within the box there's still a orange box. And inside the orange box we got a few different things. First off, a 3 battery charging hub. And then if you flip the box over, you will see the 3 batteries as well as the charging cable. So 1, 2, 3, and the charging cable. That is it for the actual Tello. Now on the GameSir TD1, we'll open that up, and really all that is the controller. So for a little over $100, this is a very inexpensive way to get into the UAS market and to practice flying your DJI products.